in memory of IFFM's co-founder Jerry Balasta, who was a frontliner and a filmmaker who's an award-winning filmmaker. He died of COVID last year. Presenting the special Jerry Balasta Advocacy Award. And the nominees are from the USA, Out and Shut, director Al Davis. Nominee from the Philippines to transfer IYALLATIW, director Melver Gomez. And the winner is from the Philippines to transfer IYALLATIW, director Melver Gomez.
I am Melver Gomez, filmmaker from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am humbled to accept the Jerry Balasta Advocacy Award for our film IYALLATIW. Thank you so much, Sir Luis Pedron, for giving us the opportunity and platform to showcase the stories of our province to the international cinema. Thank you for recognizing our craft. I dedicate the award to our Manglualos, to my production team, Ilocos Norte Film Production, to my family, as well as to our fellow Ilocanos, and to all those who believe in us. Thank you, Napalo sa Pagyaman, Diyos Unay Tiagina. Thank you, International Film Festival Manhattan, for this prestigious award. Agbiag, ti pelikula ng Ilocano. To God be the glory.